Hello and welcome to the channel. I just cleaned my mower's carburetor and it's running smooth and strong. Contaminants from the gas tank clog the carburetor, causing hard starts, engine surging, and uneven idle. To avoid this future problem, I am choosing to install an inline fuel filter. On today's episode, I will demonstrate how to install an inline fuel filter. My partners from the CLS R2U store on Amazon sent me some inline fuel filter kits to install. The kit's fuel line hose sizes is measured in inside diameter, and they come in 3 different standard fuel line hose sizes to fit your application. This kit size is 3/16. Next is the 1/4 inch kit. And finally, we have the 5/16 size for larger mowers and tractors. I'll show you what the kit contains. High quality hose clamps, 2 fuel shut-off valves with hose clamps, 2 fuel filters, and 6 feet of fuel line hose. The tools needed for this project are pliers and a tool to cut the hose with. I am using scissors. I will save the old fuel line to use as a reference for the new fuel line. I will cut the new fuel line the same length as the old one. Now I will determine where I want to place the fuel filter. I like to place the fuel filter closer to the gas tank. You can place yours anywhere in the fuel line you choose. The fuel flows in this direction. Secure the filter and the fuel line with the supplied hose clamps. And I am ready to install. Success. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.